Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel right now. And today I'm just going to show you how to enable this Glossy look or the even with Microsoft Edge tabs. So if you're an Microsoft Edge Windows Insider program user, you can just check it out, the same process with them. But you may have, if you're not Microsoft Insider user, I don't suggest you if you work for a company or you shouldn't, because it's not a stable version. You'll be having lots of bugs in there, so that you may have some risk of losing your chat. It may restart many times without your permission or something. And if you're using the normal stable Windows 11 and the Microsoft Edge, you can go with this. Yeah. So if you want to enable something like this, the Glossy look, or you can just check out here how it's looking here. Yeah, it may not look to you because you still didn't enable the Glossy look. Yeah, it's here. So here the settings of this, in default you'll be seeing this system default or the lighter dark, but you don't see these options in your computer because still you haven't enabled the Microsoft Edge flag options. So I'll just train you how to enable that. Just go to your new tab and just type edge.//flags, and you'll be seeing something like this, but you don't see this experimental appearance settings. Just type here show experimental, so that in default you'll be seeing this default option, but click on that and click on enable, and after enabling the option, just come to settings and click on appearance over here and just check this button turn on. In default it will be off, but you need to turn on, and just click on after turning on this, you'll be getting a button called restart. Just restart it won't restart your PC, but it will just restart your Edge, and after that you'll be just seeing this awesome beautiful glossy look. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, like and comment. So if you need any tips or anything in future, please comment down in the below, so that I may try to bring out very soon to your account. Yeah, so this is what you can do with this. And coming to the Edge Insider programs, I'll let you know what is the information we have right now. Yeah, so this is a Microsoft Edge Insider channel. This is not the Windows Insider Edge channel, but both the same, but this is separate from Windows software, Windows Echo. The content. Yeah, they brought you different things, but if you want to just if you're a good developer or something else, I'll just, if you're a good developer or something else, I'll just suggest you to go with developer channel, so that you'll get weekly updates. If you're facing any bugs will be based on what PC, what the specifications you're using. You may not get bugs when everyone is getting. If you're using i7 7th generation, you may get different bugs. If you're using i9 12th generation, you may get different bugs. So that's how the bugs will be based on. So you can just report the bugs in the report channel from just directly from a PC itself, and then you can just share it, and just in the descriptions of the bug report you can give your PC's specifications, everything. And coming to Canary channel, coming to my opinion, I don't actually recommend this at all, because this is an Canary channel which you get updates every day. So as of Microsoft team, my Edge team, they will be updating every day, so that you'll be getting bugs every day, and you may not get updates every day, but you'll be getting bugs every day. So that if you're not aware of this thing, programming and everything, I don't actually recommend this. This is beta channel is pretty good, so that you'll get updates for every 4 weeks, for every 1 month. So you'll be access some cute features before everyone getting in this stable version. This is pretty good. So even we have some choice even for Android also, but I don't actually recommend Android if you're using Android 10 below Android 10. and you should use this if you're using at least of 6 GB RAM and more than like 64 GB 128 GB of ROM. Yeah, that's all we can do. Thank you. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment below if you want any tips regarding this Windows 11 and more appearance, design, UI and everything. Thank you.